Welcome to my channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do is solve technical problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time as a technical drawing student, I want to ask that you subscribe to this channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Tell them to come and learn here as you are learning here. And very important, you need to practice this subject. This is a practical subject. It has to be practiced so that you can master it. Now you may be saying, I've seen this question before, it has been solved before, but what I want to do here, this happens to be an oblique cone, and I'm thinking that examination body, they are very funny. I'm not maybe I should not say that they are very funny. It's just that we the professor that are setting the question, they can reason in different way, as I'm also thinking now that this might be changed to an hexagonal oblique pyramid. So this can be changed to an hexagonal oblique pyramid, because this one that we see here is an oblique cone. So what about if it is changed for another exam, probably the coming WAEC? So they now change it to hexagonal oblique cone. So hexagonal oblique pyramid. So how can we solve this problem if it comes in that way, and what will it look like? So that is what I just taught, and I want to show you how we can solve it if it happens to be an hexagonal oblique pyramid. How can we solve it? What will the solution look like? So let's look at it together. Now, as we have here, we are going to answer 3 questions. We are going to draw the given view if it happens to be an hexagonal oblique pyramid, and we draw the plan, and we also draw the surface development of the pyramid. Okay, so let's start. So we first of all draw the given view. So that's what I want to do here first. We are still using the same dimensions, so that means we are going to take this now, this 70 millimeter, which happens to be the diameter of the base, circular base of the cone. We are going to take it as the distance across corners. So distance across corners will be 70. So we still make use of this 25 as distance from here to here. We still make use of this 30, and we still make use of this 80 as the height of the hexagonal oblique pyramid, and then this 30 at which the cutting plane incline, we still make use of it like that. The only thing that we are changing now is that this 70 millimeters for the diameter of the circular base of the oblique cone, we change it to distance across corners of the hexagonal oblique pyramid. So I believe what I just said is clear to us, but we will see it in the work that I want to do right now. So we first of all, draw horizontal line here. So having drawn the horizontal line, I'm going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So this is starting point, and this is 70, and here we have 35. Okay, then from this point I will take 25 millimeters. So 25 millimeters to this point. Okay, so here now I will draw a vertical line as we are given in the question. So it is drawn with short dashes line, and that is what I'm doing right now. Okay, all right, so on this line I will take a measurement of 80 millimeters from this point. I take a measurement of 80 millimeters, so this is 80 millimeters. So I'm going to connect this point. I will connect it with this, and I will also connect this point. So I will connect it with this point. Okay, so I'm going to call this point. So this point I will call it point A. Okay, so this is point A, and I will call this point, I will call it point A prime. All right, so then the next thing I'm going to do is that on this line I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters from point A prime here. 30 millimeters from point A prime. So this is 30, so that we can get the cutting plane. So I will follow I will trace this to this point, so I can draw a horizontal line, and if I don't want, I just mark it on this side. Then with my 30-degree set square set at this point here, I will draw the cutting plane. So it goes like this. Okay, so that is the cutting plane. So we call it cutting plane PP. So I will also put P here, and this is P here. All right, so we want to draw the given view. So for the if it happens to be an hexagonal oblique pyramid, so this is not the complete elevation or complete given view. So we need to draw that now. So what I need to do now is to construct an hexagon down here. So I will draw a center line here. So I'll draw a center line here. Okay, so here I will draw horizontal center line. I will need to extend this line a little bit. All right, so then I will take a measurement of, so since distance across corners, as I said, is 70 millimeters, I will take a measurement of 35 millimeters. So this is 35, and I will draw a circle like this. Draw a circle like this. Then, so putting the pinpoint of my compass at this point, I make an arc here. So make an arc here, and I will also make an arc here, make an arc here. Okay, then so I will join, so this point I'll join it together, and this point also I will join them together. Okay, so I'll join this point together, so I will also join this point together. All right, so now for this part, as we are looking at the pyramid down here, so I'm looking at it down here, so this part here, so is going to be hidden because of how this is bent, so it's going to be hidden from us. So this is what we are going to have here. So we are going to draw this line with short dashes line. So we are going to draw it with short dashes line. So if you remember that in the oblique cone, we also have the same thing in the oblique cone. So we also have the same thing here in the oblique hexagonal pyramid as we have here. So it will be hidden as I've shown it here. All right, so now, so the next thing that we are going to do, so that we can complete the given view of the elevation, so we draw a vertical line here. Okay, so at this point also we draw a vertical line. So at this point, so we draw a vertical line, and also at this point we draw a vertical line. All right, so and then, so I'm going to number this. I'm going to number this point. This is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, this is point 4, this is 5, and this is point 6 here. So this will be 1 prime. So this is 2, 6 prime prime. So this is 3 prime, 5 prime, and this is 4 prime. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join this point together with the apex of the pyramid. So this will be joined with this point. So this we draw this as a center line. So this is a center line. Okay, then so this will be joined with this point. Okay, like this. So then so we want to complete it. So we want to complete it. So we make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so we have to make this line a thick line from here to here. So we also make this a thick line. Okay, then we also make this a thick line from here to here. And then so we are going to make the base. So make it a thick line. Alright, so this will be the given view. So we are done with that. So let's meet on the next one, which will be on the complete plan. So thank you.